Alright guys, today I want to switch gears and talk a little bit about my project that I've been working on recently. It's actually homemade PVC train horns. I based the design off Dozer Boy Miller's horns, although I didn't actually buy the plans. I just watched the videos and tried to figure out how to build them. So I know this is not anything like what I normally do with guns and all that, but I still think it's worth going on my channel because it has to do with DIY and homemade stuff. So anyway, here are the horns. I made them with 3 introducers. My diaphragms are cut from a Tupperware storage container. They're about 1/8 inch thick. I'm not sure exactly what plastic they are, but they're really sturdy, so they make pretty nice sound. I have an airline powering both the horns that comes off my scuba tank, and the horns are tuned to 1/3 apart, although the distance or the length is very close, and I'm probably gonna cut them down a lot more and make them shorter, and as the pitch goes up I think they will actually become a bit louder. So here's my air tank setup. I got some nylon tubing running to this ball valve, 1/4 inch, little extension handle, pretty ghetto in this stage, but makes it easier to turn. And I have this teed off with a pressure gauge, 0 to 3000 psi, the one that was originally on this tank. You can see right now it's at about 200 psi, and I achieved that using my fridge compressor over here and pressurize the input with my shop compressor. So yeah, I connect the fridge compressor to this output here and open the valve to fill it, and this port is blocked off because that thread size isn't standard, so I can't really use it. It's just a tad bigger than 1/4 inch, so I can't use it. But this is actually 1/8 inch where the PSI gauge came out, so I was able to use regular 1/8 inch MPT fittings, and I got it up to 1/4 inch and to the ball valve. So I'll give a couple blasts to show what they sound like. You won't really be able to hear the loudness, but I'll edit in a couple of clips showing how loud they are from further away, so you can kind of gauge how loud they are by how well the sound travels. So I'm just going to use this handle here and try to do it one-handed. Again, not sure how well you can hear it as to how loud it is, but that really does nothing to the pressure gauge, so I'm expecting this tank to last pretty long for me if I put it in my car or something like that. So yeah, that's about it. I'll show a couple clips of long distance recording so you can see how far the sound travels, but other than that, I hope you enjoyed. Those are my homemade train horns. Thanks for watching.